Hello guys, welcome back to another video on Simple Spoken English. I'm very excited for this video also. So if you are hearing any background noise, I'm very sorry for that. We will still continue our lessons, okay? So let's begin. Number 1, he is playing. Okay? So what kind of a sentence is this? This is a present continuous sentence. Present because it is. And continuous means ing. The verb is in ing form, right? So he is playing means he is playing right now. It is continuing. The action is continuing. That's why it is in continuous tense, present continuous. He is playing, right? And the subject is singular subject, he. So first let us look at some singular subject sentences. Like she is eating. Okay, she is eating means right now she is eating. The action is continuing right now. It has not stopped. It is continuing. I hope you understand, right? Moving on. John is driving. John is driving. Right? Very simple sentences. Now it's your task. You try to make some sentences like these. Some present continuous sentences with singular subject. It is your task. At least 2 to 3 sentences you try. Now let's look at some past continuous sentences with singular subject. For example, Rahul is playing. This is present continuous. Now in order to make it past, simple thing, just replace is with was. Then it will be Rahul was playing. It is in past continuous, means he is not playing right now. He was playing then. Maybe at 5 a.m. he was playing, but now he is not playing. Okay, I hope you understand. John was cooking. Alright, she was eating. I hope you understand. Now you try to make some past continuous sentences, at least 2 to 3 sentences. It's your task. Okay, number 2 is the negative of these sentences. For example, Rahul is playing. Negative, very simple. Rahul is not playing. In short, you can also say Rahul isn't playing. Isn't is the short form of is not. Clear? John is cooking, past. Sorry, John was cooking is past. Now the negative of this, John was not cooking. Now in present, John is cooking. This is present continuous. The negative will be John is not cooking. Okay, clear? Now try to make sentences. As I said, try to make the negative sentences also like this, at least 2 to 3. Now moving on to number 3, set number 3. Now we will look at some plural subject sentences. We are playing. Okay, we, you, they, I, these are plural subjects. I hope you remember. So we are playing means right now we are playing. Okay, or you can say they are shouting. They are shouting. People are complaining. People are complaining. We are watching TV. Clear? Now in past form, instead of are, you can use were. Oh, one more sentence I forgot. I am. I am playing. With I, we will use am. I am playing. Okay? Or I am driving. I am watching TV. Now in past form, I am playing. Negative. The past form is I was playing. Clear? We are cooking. The past form will be we were cooking. Were is the past form of are. Clear? Alright. People are complaining. Past will be people were complaining. So I hope it's clear in both present and past. Now you try to make some sentences with plural subject. This is your task. At least 2 to 3 sentences for both present and past. Okay. Now set number 4, which is negative of these sentences. So we are playing. Simple. We are not playing. In short, you can also say we aren't playing. Aren't is the short form of are not. Okay. In past form also you can say we were not playing or we weren't playing. It is again weren't is the past short form of were not. I hope it's clear. Now I am cooking. the past will be I was cooking, okay, and the negative will be I was not cooking, okay. I hope you can understand. They are sleeping. The negative, they are not sleeping. Children are dancing, or you can say children are studying, okay, they are studying. Children are studying. Negative, children are not studying. I hope it's absolutely clear now. Now it's your time to make some sentences like these, at least 2 to 3 sentences with the plural subjects in both present and past continuous form. And after that, if you continue to practice like this, I am sure that you will see a lot of improvement in your English, and you will definitely improve better, okay. So continue these practices, and more lessons are going to come soon. So stay in touch and share this video with those who need it the most, okay, and we will meet soon. So thank you so much and happy learning.